Hello, welcome to the unboxing of Boat Bluetooth speaker. Finally, so it's Stone 193 is the model, okay, and it's 800 mAh battery capacity and it's water resistant as you can see. And Neha Kakkar is the brand ambassador, and you can carry it anywhere, and it has a thread to carry, so that's the reason it's called Move to the Groove. Okay, and the other features, let me see. Okay, right, you can see this is the beautiful Bluetooth speaker. I mean, I really love Boat because they just produce not only a good product, but it also looks stylish. Whether it's a Bluetooth speaker or earphones or even you know Bluetooth headphones also I've used before, so I know it. So yeah, this would be the pause, minus and plus for the volumes, and also to skip to the next song or the previous song, right? And it is water resistance, as you can see the body, the material of the boat which is made, and this would be obviously the fiber, but they claim it to be a water resistant. So right, and this would be the power button, and this would be the mode of change for any kind of music, right? Let's see what are all the other contents in the box, right? As you can see, they've given a aux cable which you can connect once the Bluetooth charge is over, and this would be the charging cable, right? And they have given this charging point here, I believe. Yes, okay, the charging point, as you can see, and the aux cable for the aux cable. Okay, and right, let's try it, but before that I'll just show you. There would be a warranty card, and yeah, obviously they would be mentioning the other range of products that Boat offers. It's common in all the Boat contents. It's like they are marketing their own other products in the product that you buy. So this would be the instruction manual. Okay, and they offer 1 year warranty to all the products, all the Boat products, right? And okay, let me go through the instruction manual. Okay, basically it says thank you for purchasing and package contents, which we already saw, and then this gives you the idea of what you can use in this particular, the switch and buttons. So you can just pause this video and go through it. Okay, and the other instructions like power on, off, etc., you can pause this video to go through it, right? Bluetooth connectivity and all that. The one thing I would like to mention here is, as they also say, please do not use the speaker while it is in charge, as this may decrease the battery's performance. So yes, please do not do that, because if you're buying such a nice product and if you're not able to use it, I mean, once the battery is not good, so it doesn't make sense, right? So please make sure not to use it when it's charging. Okay, for all the other description, please go through pausing the video. Okay, so now let's play some music and check the sound quality with maximum, minimum volume,
Power on.
different types
You've
of
plugged into
music.
Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
Yes, and this is a common sound that you get whenever you are on a Boat Bluetooth device. They say that you're plugged into Nirvana. Okay, while I'm speaking to you, I'm just trying to connect
You're now
to my
connected to
phone.
Boat Stone.
I'm going to play some music. Let's try with some different types of music, like some with beats and desi, some international music also, so that you'll get to know what kind of music is it good enough, what is it like. Okay, first I would like to play some desi music. So I'm a rap fan kind of. So okay.
कौन बोला मुझसे ना हो पाएगा
This is the
कौन बोला
maximum.
कौन बोला maximum volume
Yes.
अपना टाइम आएगा उठ जा अपनी राख से टूट जा तलाश में परवाज़ देख परवाने की आसमां भी सर उठाएगा आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है जो डर को भी सताएगा जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा अब हौसले से जीने दे अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे हम कामयाबी छीनेंगे सब कुछ मिला पसीने से मतलब बड़ा अब जीने में क्यों क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा तू नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा तू नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा तू नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर किसी का हाथ नहीं था सर पर यहाँ पर आया खुद की मेहनत से मैं जितनी ताकत किस्मत में नहीं उतनी रहमत में है फिर भी लड़का सहमत नहीं है क्योंकि हैरत नहीं है जरूरत यहाँ मर्जी की और जरूरत की है ताकत की है आफत की हिमाकत की इबादत की अदालत ये है चाहत की मोहब्बत की अमानत की जीतने की आबादत की है शोहरत की अब लालच नहीं है तेरे भाई जैसा कोई हाड़िच नहीं है इस हरकत ने ही बरकत दी है क्यों क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा तू नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा
अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा
नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा तू नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा कल लगा ही तो आया था क्या तू घंटा लेकर जाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा ना तू नंगा ही तो जाएगा ना
Let me play another music.
या निज़ामुद्दीन औलिया या निज़ामुद्दीन सरकार
You can just see the range, how it plays in different kind of music. This is A.R. Rahman.
कदम बढ़ा ले हदों को मिटा ले आजा खाली पल में पीका घर तेरा तेरे बिन खाली आजा खाली पल में तेरे बिन खाली आजा
I'll just change to some international
Cause
music.
I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, can't hear the bass boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beach chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go.
I'm changing to Swedish House Mafia.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a gold throne. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from on the places where I was born. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak.
Okay, so you guys, I believe you experienced the different kinds of music and how you're getting the effect. So do let me know how you're feeling about this particular review on this unboxing of both Stone Bluetooth speaker 193, and I'll share you the link where you can buy a similar product, uh, which is similar to 193. I am not sure if I found it because this was a gift. I did not buy it online, and I'm sorry I forgot to tell you about the price. It is 2,999, so almost 3,000, and it was a gift to my husband from his office. So yeah, go ahead and do let me know. And the other features, you can see it pausing the video. Do let me know how did you find my review, and if you have used a product, do let me know the pros and cons. Did you find anything? Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.